Brother, stop watching Disney movies. Allah yarda alayk. I wish I was around at the time of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You know, I know that comes from a good place. But brother, really wake up to yourself. Wake up to yourself. It's like the sister tells me, I wish I was married to him. Like, you're a spinner too. Because you're cherry picking what you want from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was married to 9. You happy with that? Tell me. He was married to 9. He would see Aisha, who was his favorite. He would see her twice a month. Could you live with that, sister? Oh. Jeez, I didn't think about it. Yeah, that's exactly right. It's just like, you know, brother, I wish I was there. Brother, what are you talking about? You know, the ulama, they say 2 things. They say 2 things you should never ever wish for. Never wish you were around at the time of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because you don't know what side of the fence you would have been. That's the truth. You don't know what side you would have been on. Ah, you mean you wish you were there as a believer? Ah, brother, stop watching Disney movies. Allah yarda alayk.